Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul to do from Harbor Freight. I picked up some extensions, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, so I picked up some extensions while I was doing the Icon hand tools look around. So I picked up, all these are from PittsBurgh. I picked up this 3-piece super long extension set. It has a 24-inch long 3/8. It has a 18-inch long 1/4 inch, and it has a 12-inch long 1/4 inch. That's that one. I picked up this one as well. This is a 3/8 drive 4-piece quick release extension bar set. Chrome vanadium construction, triple chrome plated. It's a 3-inch, a 6-inch, a 10-inch, and an 18-inch of the quick releasing. Okay, those are 3/8. And then I picked up the matching set for the 1/2 inch drive 4-piece quick release extension bar set. Chrome vanadium construction, triple chrome plated, 3-inch, a 5-inch, a 10-inch, and a 15-inch for the 1/2 inch quick release. I picked up a 1/2 inch drive 10-inch impact extension bar. This is impact rated. It has the quick release. I picked up these 3-piece square drive socket caps, 7/16, 9/16, and 3/4. They are 1/4 inch drive, 3/8 drive, and 1/2 inch drive. It says 1/2 inch by 3/4, 3/8 by 9/16, and 1/4 by 7/16. Thought these would come in handy. I picked up 3/8 drive 4-piece impact extension set. It says SAE on it for whatever reason. They're 3/8 drive. These are 1 3/4, 2 1/2, 5 1/2, and 8 1/4. Those are the lengths, I'm assuming, because they all look like 3/8. They say 3/8 drive 4-piece, so not really sure. Oh yeah, that would be the sizes. So those are the lengths. Those are just a regular non-wobble. I picked up this 3/8 drive 3-piece wobble impact set. Sizes 1 3/4, 3-inch, and 6-inch. I have the 1/2 inch of these, so I didn't need to pick those up. And then I picked up this large chrome set. It is 1/4 drive, 3/8 drive, and 1/2 inch drive. They're 9-piece wobble set extensions. Sizes: 1/4 drive is 2-inch, 4-inch, and 10-inch. 3/8 drive is 1 3/4, 3-inch, 6-inch, and 9-inch. And the 1/2 inch drive is 5-inch and 10-inch. So these are all the extensions that I picked up. I have some extensions in here, but a lot of these extensions were given to me. They're old. Here's the 1/2 inch wobble that I said I already had. I will be doing a video on these. Also, will be a different video. These are from Napa. Yeah, this is another PittsBurgh wobble, 1/2 inch. And this is the PittsBurgh 1/2 inch to 3/8. 1/2 inch to 3/8. So I might have to pick the 1/2 inch to 1/2 inch. I didn't realize I didn't have the 1/2 inch to 1/2 inch. These are all PittsBurghs. They're the 1/2 inch to 3/8. So next time I'm there, I'll pick up the 1/2 inch to 1/2 inch like this one. This is a 1/2 to 1/2. looks like I don't have the half to half. Oh, no, I got a couple of them. This is my Icon speed square, or impact speed handle. Not speed square. Not really sure why I called it a speed square. But we're going to be putting all those in this drawer, other than the really long ones that might not fit. Part numbers for these, just so I can read them to you guys. So the 9-piece quarter, 3/8 and half-inch drive wobble set is item number 67971. The 3/8 drive impact wobble set is 67065. The 3/8 drive 4-piece impact extension set that is not wobble style is 67926. This little 3-piece square drive socket cap set is item 67011. This half-inch drive 10-inch impact extension bar with quick release is item number 98208. This half-inch drive 4-piece quick release extension bar set in chrome is 61968. This 3/8 drive 4-piece quick release extension set in chrome is item number 67976. And this 3-piece super long extension set quarter and 3/8. It's got two quarter-inch longs and one 3/8 inch long. The 3/8 is 24 inches long. The quarter has an 18-inch long and a 12-inch long. This set, the item number is 62121. I did use a 20% off coupon, and I did get a free pack of batteries, AA batteries. The Thunderbolt Magnum 1.5 volt heavy duty batteries, 24 pack. These were my free item for today. So please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Let me know if you guys like these videos. Comments, criticisms down below. I will try to link these in the description. And thank you guys so much for watching. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and go smash the like button and smash the bell notification button. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.